my name is Vasti and welcome to Wealth Cat. So just the other day I was talking to my friend about investing, okay, and I was asking him why he doesn't want to invest in the stock market. So he gave me the answer saying that he doesn't want to gamble. Okay, so this really got me thinking. So today in this video, we shall talk about the differences and the similarities between gambling and investing, and we will answer the question whether investing is the same as gambling. So firstly, investing can pretty much be gambling if you have no idea what you're doing in the stock market. So if you're just buying stocks for the sake of, buying stocks, then yes, you are gambling. And secondly, if you continue doing this, you might potentially be losing the opportunity to, maybe gain 10% a year or even 20% a year. So before we get into the video, okay, let's just look at the definitions of investing and the definition of gambling. So investing, according to Investopedia, is the act of committing money or capital to an endeavor, such as a business, real estate, or stocks, with the exception of obtaining additional income or profit. On the other hand, gambling is actually to play at any game of chances for stakes. So to stake is pretty much to risk money or anything of value on the outcome of something invoking chance. So now that we've covered the definition of investing and gambling, let's dive down a little deeper. Okay, let's look at the similarities between investing and gambling. So both of this actually comes with massive risk. Okay, technically you could lose all of your money in both investing and gambling. But one thing to note is that investors generally plan to keep their stocks for the long term. Traders, on the other hand, actually plan to sell away their stocks in short-term periods. Okay, in this case, trading can somewhat be comparable to gambling. Okay, and note how I said traders and not investors. Okay, so that's the importance of knowing the difference between trading, investing, and gambling. So now let's drive down to the differences between investing and gambling. So investing actually drives capitalism. So, it gives you the potential to gain wealth and create more wealth for yourself. On the other hand, right, gambling pretty much depends on your luck and your chances of, gaining the money. See, I'm not saying that gambling is bad, it could be bad or it could be great depending on your luck, but it's not the same as investing. So to put it in simple terms, investing is when the odds are in your favor, but gambling, usually the odds are against you. So to say investing can be considered as buying a business or investing in a business. While gambling, right, there is no business. Usually you gamble just for the sake of entertainment or other purposes. So in addition to that, when you're investing, you're actually building your assets, you're increasing your wealth, and you have the potential to gain passive income through, let's say, value investing by, buying stocks at a really good low price and, getting dividends from it and etc. But when you're gambling, you don't really have this kind of positive outcome. Usually, even if you gain anything, it's for the short term and you're not really building your assets. So now that we've covered investing and gambling, there's one more term that I would like to cover, which is speculation. So this is usually used by Benjamin Graham. I'm not sure if you have read The Intelligent Investor, but this is similar or somewhat in between investing and gambling. So speculation can be used in the context where, let's say, you're going to buy a stock, but you didn't really conduct your research or thorough analysis before buying this stock. Therefore, there's no promises of any kind of returns to you. So that is when you're speculating. So now the question would be if speculation is good or bad. So speculation can be really good in certain situations. So an example would be Amazon. Alright, so let's say you speculated before and you bought Amazon stocks, you would have made really high gains by now. So in a way to say it, speculation can give you really high returns, but at the same time, they are really risky, really volatile, and you could potentially lose all of your money. However, you should never confuse speculating with investing. At the end of the day, there are two different things, right? Speculating can give you temporary returns, short-term returns, but if you're in this for the long term and if you want to achieve financial freedom, then investing is the way to go, right? Don't buy a company unless you have done the proper research and you know that the company has potential to do well in the future. So with that, I hope you get an idea on the differences between gambling and investing and even speculation. So if you want to read more or know more, I suggest taking a look at The Intelligent Investor, where Benjamin Graham himself teaches you how to be a better investor, how to be an intelligent investor. And with that, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment down below what you think, and I'll see you next time with another video.